Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. Myself, Mrs. Shagufta Sheikh, have come up with our lesson number 9 word problems of addition and subtraction. And now we will start with our word problems. So let us move ahead now.
With our addition and subtraction mixed problems. Till now we have seen how to do word problems of addition and subtraction. Now in this we will see how to do addition and subtraction mixed word problems. Both the addition and subtraction will be there in this word problems. So let us take one example. There are 42,306 trees in a forest. Of these 23,479 are teak trees and 16,675 are subabul trees. How many other trees are there in the forest? Now here what they are telling us, there are total how many? 42,306 trees, total trees. So of these 23,479 are the teak trees and 16,675 are subabul trees. So how many other trees are there? Except these teak trees and subabul, other trees are how much that we have to find. So how we write as usual in word problems? First we write given information. So what information is given here? 42,306 trees in a forest are of teak trees. Sorry, 23,479 are teak trees. So here we will write teak trees. Teak trees are how much? 23,479. So here we will write 23,479. Then subabul trees are how many? 16,675. So here we will write subabul trees is equals to 16,675. Now what we have to find? To find out how many other trees are there in the forest. Here we have to find other trees. Now in this, first how we have did in addition and subtraction, we used to write here method used. But now in this, what we will write? What you will do first. First what you will do? First we will add both the number of trees. So here we will, what we will do? We will add the sum. Add the sum of trees. We have to add both the sum. So how we will do? First we will add 23,479 plus 16,675. These are teak trees and this is the number of subabul trees. Now here we will add both of them. 9 plus 5 is how much? 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 will be carried over here. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 5 will write down here and 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 will be carried over to the next number. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. And 1 will be carried over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So this is the total number of trees we have found by adding both the trees. Now here what you will do next? Here you have to write what you will do next. Now after adding both the trees, what we will do? We will subtract the trees from the total number of trees. So here we will write subtract the sum from total trees. After adding both the trees, we will subtract that sum from the total number of trees. Now here how many trees are there in the forest? 42,306. So we will subtract from this 42,306 minus 40,152. So 40,154. Now both this we will subtract. 6 minus 4 is how much? It is 2 will remain. Now can we subtract 5 from 0? We cannot do. So we will carry over from the 3. 1 takes from 3 and 0 from unit. And what will remain here? 2 will remain here. Now can we subtract 5 from 10? Yes. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So here we have got the number of other trees. So here we will write answer. The other trees are how much? 2,152. So here we will write 2,152. This is the final answer. Sum from your exercise, page number 49 of your textbook. Rohan spent rupees 27,658 for purchasing computers and rupees 16,478 on a printer and scanner. Packing and transporting the goods cost extra. Rohan spent a total of rupees 47,000. How much did he spend on packing and transport? So here what they are telling us, Rohan had spent how much? 27,658 for purchasing computers and 16,478 on a printer and scanner. Packing and transporting the goods cost extra. Rohan spent total how much? 47,000. Total amount he spent is 47,000. For computer he spent 27,658 and for scanner he spent rupees 16,478. So they are telling us to find here how much did he spend on packing and transport. So now what we will do first? First we have to write the given information. What information is given in the question? So the cost of computer is how much? 27,650. So here we will write cost of computer is equals to 27,658. Cost of scanner, printer and scanner is how much? 16,470. So here we will write cost of printer and scanner is equals to 16,478. 47,000. So here we write 47,000. Now here, what they are telling us to find? They are telling us to find out how much he had spent on packing and transport. To find out the cost on packing and transport. We have to find out the cost on packing and transport. Now here in this problem, what we will write next? Next step is what you will do first. So here we will write what you will do first. Means the first step what we will do here is we will add both the cost of computer and printer and scanner. Add the cost of printer and computer. Both the cost we have to add. So here what is it? 27,658 plus 16,478. This is the cost of computer. This is the cost of printer and scanner. Now we have to add both the cost. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 will carry over. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 7 is how much? 13. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is how much? 11. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 6 is how much? 44 and 1 will be carried over here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, total for computer and printer he had spent how much? 44,136. Now, what will you do next? What the next step will be? What we will do next? We will subtract the total, subtract the sum from expenditure. What the next step will be? We will subtract the sum from the total expenditure. What was the total expenditure? 47,000. From this, we will subtract the sum of total cost of computer and printer. So here we will write 47,000 minus 44,136. 44,136. Now here can we subtract 6 from 0? We cannot do. Here also the 3 is greater than 0. 1 is greater than 0. So we cannot take 1/10 from 0. So we will take 1/10 from 7 and 0 from unit. Now it has become 10. Now again 1/10 from 10, it will become 9. And 0 from unit. Now again we have to take carry from 1 from 10. So again 1/10 from 10. Here it will remain 9 and 0 from unit. And what will remain here? 6. So now can we subtract 6 from 10? Yes. 10 minus 6 is how much? 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 3 is Answer. Rohan has spent rupees 2,864. 2,864 on packing and transport. On packing and transport. This will be our final answer. Rohan has spent 2,864 on packing and transport. Now let us take the fifth sum from your exercise, page number 49. Lalitaben donated rupees 75,000 to a hospital. Rupees 47,500 were used for equipment and 18,240 were used for medicines. How much money still remains? Here what they are telling us, Lalitaben donated 75,000 to a hospital, of which 47,500 were used for equipment and 18,240 were used for medicine. So how much money still remains? After spending this much amount, how many, what the amount will remain? So what is the information given here in question? Amount spent on, first we will write amount spent on equipment. Here we will write first we will write Lalitaben donated rupees 75,000. So amount donated, what is the amount donated? Is 75,000. Then amount spent on equipment. Next we will write amount spent on equipment is equals to how much? How much amount was spent on equipment? 47,500. And amount spent on medicines is, next we will write amount spent on medicines is how much? 18,240. So here we will write 18,240. Total 75,000 amount was donated, of which 47,500 was spent on equipment, 18,240 was spent on medicines. Now to find out what they are telling us to find, how much money still remain. So here to find out is amount remaining. So here what you will do first? What you will do first? What you will do first? First both the amount we will add. So add amount spent on equipment and medicines. Equipment and medicines. What is the amount spent on equipment? Is 47,500 is the amount spent on equipment and 18,240. 18,240 is the amount spent on medicines. We will add both the amount. Now here we will add 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 will carry over, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So what we have got here? 65,740. So this amount they have, this much amount has been spent together. What we will do next? We will subtract this amount from the amount donated. Subtract the sum from amount donated. The amount which we have got after adding both the amount spent on equipment and medicines, the sum we will subtract from the total amount donated. Now, what was the total amount donated? Is 75,000. So here we will write 75,000 minus 65,740. So 65,740. Now we will subtract this amount from the amount donated. So 0 from 0 minus 0 is 0. Can we subtract 4 from 0? No, we cannot subtract. Here again the 7 is greater than 0, so here also we cannot take carry over from here. Here also 5 is equal to 5, so here also we cannot take 1/10 from 5. Here 7 is greater than 6, so from here we can take 1/10. So 1/10 from 7, what will remain here is 6 and 5 from unit. Now again 1/10 from 5 and 0 from unit. What will remain here in place of 15? 14 will be remain here. Now again here we have to carry over, so we will take 1/10 from 10. What will remain here is 9 and 0 from unit. So now 10 minus 4 is how much? 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. Now here we have got 14. 14 minus 5 is how much? Yes, 14 minus 5 is 9. 6 minus 6 is 0. So how much amount has remained now? 9,260. 75,000 was donated, and amount spent on equipment and medicines after adding both the amount we have got here 65,740. Then the amount donated, from that amount we have subtracted both the amount spent on equipment and medicines. After subtracting both the amount we have got here is 9,260. So this amount has remained now. So we will write here the answer. The amount remained is how much? Rupees 9,260. So here you write 9,260. This is the final answer. The amount which has remained is 9,260.
I hope you all might have understood till here. The remaining sums you will do for your homework. And now we will stop here. So kindly subscribe our channel to receive further notification. Thank you.